Sofia was out on a lunch break. New cafe. Good reviews. All she wanted was a quiet meal. Sofia walked in, looked around, and found a spot by the window. She sat down and dropped her bag beside her chair. Finally, a moment to breathe. Just then, a waiter approached with a glass of water and a friendly smile. He gently placed the glass on the table and pointed to the QR code stand. "You can scan the code to place your order," he said before walking away. She picks up her phone and scans the QR code on the table. The page looked real, clean design, logo, menu photos, everything seemed fine. Then it asked for her card details to confirm her order. She hesitated. Something felt off. But she didn't want to seem confused or make a fuss. So she typed in her card number, expiry date, and CVV. But the QR code wasn't from the cafe. A scammer had replaced the real one with their own. The site was a trap made to steal card info. A few minutes later, her food arrived. But so did something else. She smiled as the plate was placed in front of her. Finally, time to eat. Then her phone buzzed. She glanced at the screen and froze. A debit alert. Not a small one, and definitely not one she made. Her appetite vanished. One fake scan. One fake site. That's all it took. QR codes can be faked. Always check the website link. Don't enter payment details unless you're 100% sure it's a trusted site. If you're unsure, ask. It's better to be safe than sorry. Cyber tip before you scan a QR code. Check the web address, is it legitimate? Don't enter card details unless you're sure it's secure. Ask the cafe staff if anything feels off.